Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss how to change color easily in Photoshop. First, select the image layer. Then, go to Select menu, and choose Subject option, to select the shoe only. Then create Hue and Saturation Adjustment. Use Hand tool, select the particular color which need to change. For color smoothness, adjust the slider. Change the color with the Hue slider. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.